Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at a nice exponential equation. We have 81 to the power sine squared x plus 81 cos squared x, which is equals to 30. In here, you have to check if the exponential equation has got same variables. If you can see from this exponential, the variables are different. Here we have sine, and here we have cos. So that means we have to make one of the other. So let's get started. For solution, we have 81 sine squared x, then plus 81. Where this cos, remember in identity, if you have sine squared x plus cos squared x, it is equals to 1. So we have to make cos the subdivision formula, in which it will be cos squared x, it is equals to 1 minus sine squared x, right? Then you have to substitute where this cos with the 1 minus the sine squared x. So you have to substitute 1 minus the sine squared x, which is equals to 30, right? Then here, this is where you rate u to be equals to sine squared x. So we have to substitute where there is sine squared x with the u, in which it will be 81 u plus 81 1 minus the u, which is equals to 30, right? Then here, if you can see this one here, it is same as if you have a power 3 divided by a power 2. This one, it is equals to a 3 minus 2. So we have to take this term back to this term here. So we are going to have 81 u plus 81 power 1 over 81 u power u, which is equals to 30, right? Then here, let's make 81u to be equals to b, right? Then let's substitute where there is 81u with b. So we are going to have b plus 81 over b, which is equals to 30. Then here you are going to multiply this term, this b, both sides, which is multiplied by b here. So b times b, which is b squared, plus then this b and this b will cancel, will remain with the we are going to have 81, which is equals to 30b, right? Then here let's make this equation to be in standard form, which is b squared 80b, right? Then plus 81, which is equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. So let's solve it using a factorization. We have to look for product. Product, it is 81, and sum, it is minus 30. So let's take it. If you have minus 27 multiplied by minus 3, you are going to have 81, right? Then if you have minus 27 minus 3, the answer, it is minus 30. So our product, it is minus 3 and minus 27. So let's take it here. We are going to have we are going to have b squared minus 3b minus 27b plus 81, which is equals to 0, right? Then let's factorize now here what we have, which is b outside, then b minus 3, right? Then minus 27, what here, what is common is 27, open, then b into 27 into 27b, we are going to remain with b minus 3, right, which is equals to 0. Then it will be b minus 3 in the bracket, and b minus 27, which is equals to 0. Then b, it will be equals to 3, or b equals 27. And remember, we said b, it is equals to 81 u, right? So we have to substitute. Let's use 3 first. So we have 3 equals 81 u. So we have to make this exponential equation to have same base, which is 3 equals 3 power 4, the bracket, then power u, then which is 3 equals 4 times u, which is 3 power 4u. Then here we have power 1. So the bases are same, in which we are going to say 4u, which is equals to 1. Then you divide by 4 by 4, which is u equals 1 over 4, right? Then let's make when b it is equals to 27, it is equals to 81 power u. Then 27 it will be 3 power 3, which is equals to 81, it will be 3 power 4 power u, which is here if it will be 3 power 3, which is equals to 3 power 4 u. Then the bases are same, which is 3 equals 4 u. Then you divide by 4 by 4, which is u, it is equals to 3 over 4, right? Then u it is equals to sine squared x, and we find the values of u. Sine squared x it is equals to 1 over 4. When you provide the square root both sides, you are going to have sine x it is equals to plus or minus half, right? Then if you take x equals sine inverse of half plus or minus, you find the angles. Then let's go to this one. U equals 3 over 4, which is sine squared x, it is equals to 3 over 4, right? Then we provide the square root, it will be sine x, it is equal. Let's try to look the angles in the quadrant. So it will be like this one. So for us to find the angles, we have to know the special angles, right? This is here. If you have 30, you have 60, and here you have 1, here you have 2, here you have root 3. And remember that sine half, it will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 30. So we are going to get the angle of 30 here, which is 30 here, 30 degree. So if you move from, so our first angle it will be 30 degree, then the second one you move from here up to here, in which we are going to say 180 degree minus 30, which is 150, right? 150 degree. And then you move from here to here, because here there's a reflection of 30 also, right? Then you are going to add, where you're going to add 180 plus 30, which is 210. We're dealing with this solution here, 210. Then from here we have the 30 also, 30 alternative angles, 30 degrees. So you move from here to here, so you're going to say 360 minus 30, which is 330. So these are our angles for this solution here. Let's move on to this one here. Root 3 over 2, root 3 over 2, because it is sine, because opposite over hypotenuse, right? Opposite we have root 3, then hypotenuse we have 2, right? Then from the same, let's draw another quadrant here. If you have 60 here, so that means root 3 over 2 it is 60. So if you have 60 here, so the first angle it is 60 degree. Then if you move from here up to here, you're going to do 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60, which is 120, right? 120 degree. From here up to here, there's a reflection of 60. So you have to do, you add again 180 plus 60, which is the right 240 degree. Then if you move from here, there's alternative angle for 60 degree. So you move from here going around the circle, then you end here. So we are going to do 360 degree minus 60 degree. This one it is equals to 300 degree. So it will be 300 degree. So these are our angles for this solution here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you may see the new updates. Thank you.